I remember one day when my mother sent down to this particular individual and said, yo, you know, no food, can dish out one plate of food, send, come give me. My mother sent me out to go beg food for give me for dinner. And when I went for the food, I thought I was getting food. You know what I got? I got, go back to your yard. Tell your mother, say, I know we tell her if you have 6 or you know. My mom was having kids back to back to back to back to back to back to back. You have my sister first, then she has me, then she have my brother, then she have another brother, then she have another brother, then she have another one, then another one. Then a couple of years ago when I was in Jamaica, I buck up on a piece of paper and I saw 2 names on it. So I said to my mom, so you guys are planning on having 2 more kids? She said, yes, your father wanted 2 more. So I said, so hold on. You guys could hardly take care of 6 and you guys wanted 2 more. I said, you guys are crazy. I'm not an advocate for women to be having a barrage of kids with no father to take care of them and ray. But if it happen, guys, it happen. Not every woman walking this earth gonna have a fairy tale relationship. Not every mother out there gonna have a man that is willing to marry to them. And there's a lot of people out there that are very harsh towards some women that have more than 1 kids, that are not married. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, hit that subscribe button, that post notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. One of the stuff I was pondering while I was on the hospital bed, it was my mom. Good lady, you're getting up in age right now, you know, bless God for her. She had 6 kids, 1 ass off. This is what came to mind while I was in the hospital, on the hospital bed. A lot of people will be able to relate. A lot of people will get disgruntled because they are the culprits. And there are a lot of people will be related because they are the victims of stuff that people did to them. You know, growing up in Jamaica, when you're poor, guys, some stuff that people do to you, man. When you are poor, stuff that people do to you, including family members and friends. And you can expect anything from people who don't like you. That's one thing. But when you've been dealing some stuff from family, cause you to wonder. You know, I must confess, my mom was having kids back to back to back to back to back to back to back. You have my sister first, then she has me, then she have my brother, then she have another brother, then she have another brother, then she have another one, then another one. Then a couple of years ago when I was in Jamaica, I buck up on a piece of paper and I saw 2 names on it. So I said to my mom, so you guys are planning on having 2 more kids? She said, yes, your father wanted 2 more. So I said, so hold on. You guys could hardly take care of 6 and you guys wanted 2 more. I said, you guys are crazy. I'm not an advocate for women to be having a barrage of kids with no father to take care of them and ray. But if it happen, guys, it happen. Not every woman walking this earth gonna have a fairy tale relationship. Not every mother out there gonna have a man that is willing to marry to settle down, sitting in front of the dining table every evening, having evening dinner. It's not gonna work like that. The world is not like that, guys. And there's a lot of people out there that are very harsh towards some women that have more than 1 kids, that are not married, who are single, who have kids for 3 baby, who are 3 father, and ray. Sometimes, guys, we need to be careful of how we are chastising or ostracizing these women, man. Some of us, we don't know what went down that caused them to be in the situation that they're in. I'm going to speak from my experience, and a lot of community members from my community, they're probably watching this video right now. Some of them are guilty of it, yeah. But I remember growing up in my community, my mom trying to raise 6 kids, and some stuff that people say about my mother, about my father, about us. Amazing, crazy kids, especially kids. Fine, I understand you burning out the parents, but what the kids do to you, that the kids have to be recipient of your hatred towards them, man. Look back at it and I see how my mom was treated by even her own family, by her family, and from my father's family. They did her really bad, man. They did her so bad. And back then you're a child and you say, yo, such thing is okay, and it's hard because you're a child, such things don't come to mind. You let it go by and ray. And sometimes when we were up there in the mountain, and sometimes I see my mother chopping up the wood you know, chopping up the piece of pimento wood or the piece of or the piece of sweet wood. If you put on some cornmeal porridge on the fire. Sometimes see tears their eye. I'm say, yo, Mama Lee, you what go on, man? You say, yo, certain things you can't utter, man. You walk down on the street sometimes and people see you. And guys, this is it. There are a lot of individuals out there that, you know, they are so mean to children, man. Kids, I get it when you see a woman with 5 kids and walking and it's like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like a ladder, and the first thing gonna come to your mind and say, oh, there goes another one. You start dealing your insult. You start criticize them and say, look at them having 20 more kids, no father to take care of them. Here comes another one to live on the system, another one, and the government gonna take care. Here come another one to sling the gun. Here come another gangster. Here go the unending cycle. Rather than leaning towards the negative first, man, why don't try to show the positive first? I'm from Jamaica and I know a lot of ghetto youths don't get no love, man, because their mom may have 1, 2, 3 with different fathers, and the first thing upper class society say, yeah, here goes another one. There's only one thing left for him is to go take up guns, and yes, let them go kill them one another. Let the police go kill them all, because they are menace to society. There's a lot of youths that died in Jamaica that didn't have to die the way they died, man. People are gonna say, oh, it's the parents, oh, it's the father, it's the mother. It's not in every case, man. Okay, the father and the mother went to bed and they have 20 kids. So because of that, the child shouldn't get no help, and because of that, this child should be viewed in the lens of there's no good gonna come from him. Sometimes we give up too quick. Sometimes we give up on the poor too quick, man. Oh, they're poor. They don't have nothing good to... Oh, they're not coming to nothing good in life. A lot of people in my community didn't expect that we would have made it. A lot of them watching this video right now. There's a lot of people when you're poor. There's no chance for you in their world. You should either die. The government should kill you, police should kill you, gang should kill you, die from disease because you're poor. Nothing good should come of you. They see you on the street, they don't care. Not everybody's like that, guys. But I'm just saying, there are people out there, man. When you're born in poverty and when you're poor, it's like there's no reason for you to exist. Serious. And I'm there in the hospital bed and I'm thinking about my mother and I say, yo, there's a lot of stuff that my mother been through, man. My mom went through a lot of stuff my mother been through. I love my father, yes, he's dead and God bless his soul. But my mother, we know guys tend to love their mother love to love their son. Not that you're trying to separate and say one love each other, but we know how sons react towards their mother, especially Jamaican. When you tell a Jamaican guy, go your mother, it's a possibility that things gonna go down. So a lot of persons can relate when you hear a guy talking about his mother. When a youth from the ghetto make it, you know, hear him say him buy him father a house, him buy him mother a house first. When a ghetto youth make it and come out of the slum, you don't hear a ghetto youth say, yo, me buy me father a car, or me buy me friend them this. The first thing they say, they buy their mother. They did this for their mother because they know that within the struggle, it was their mother. It was the mother was always there. Yes, the father may run off and have 3 women asleep with one woman here, one woman there, one woman over there. But the gen knows say, yo, my mother went through it, and anyhow me come out of the struggle, me I go remember my mother. And that's why we have a lot of ghetto youths. The first thing they do when they come out of the slum, them have to buy them mother a house, them have to buy them mother a car, them have to take care of them mother and ray. And then guess what, you know? Some of the same people them who they like them when they grow up, all of a sudden they want to jump through door and want to get big house too, and want to get car, and want to drive in a fancy car and fly panjet and go a tour and do all of something and do everything. When things went rough, nobody named there. You see it? So sometimes. So while I was in the hospital, yes, I'm sick in the hospital and I can't breathe and my lungs is burning me and my head is hurting me and my legs are swollen and I can't even go to the bathroom because I'm constipated. And my mom came across my mind. And to see when she had us, she had 6 of us. Some people can relate, and there gonna be some people right now watching the video and say, yo, why did your mother have so much kids? I get you guys. Get you guys. You guys are the one don't believe in chances for people, man. 6 kids. And the people that you think supposed to be there as support, they are the ones that are joining the bandwagon to criticize, to insult, to disrespect, and to belittle. The amount of belittlement and curse and insult that we got as a child because my mother has 6 of us is unspeakable. Unspeakable. You see, people, and a lot of people believe that because when you grow up now as a adult, you're supposed to forget all of these stuff. Yes, you're supposed to forgive and forget, but things linger in your head, man. You have a lot of people that when you were a child and you were wearing the tear-out body pants and, you tear-out body pants, you know, have a non-brief and your foot them ashy and your toe, you have buck toe and you're full of wild squall and your eye full of matter and your head full of burrow and sponge not because a piece of sponge you have your sweet sleep on. And when people see you, the first thing that come to mind, he said, here go another one, another menace to society. He not go nowhere. He not go nowhere. Look at him. Yeah, he might have got 6 more of them. Pests. They are pests. They are pestilence. They are plagues to society. Let them go there. Let the police kill them. Let bad man kill them. Let them kill off them one another. And nobody, if you say, yo, a youth, a kids, them, what we have to do them so far? When I was growing up, there was more bad said about me than good. There was more people thinking I was going to die than living. There are a lot of people believing that my brothers and sisters would have never made it in life, man. Never made it in life. In my community, I'm a born Jamaican, raised by a mother who got 6 kids. She start breed up, bag of picnic, and she get up one day and say, yo, she a go look work, and she start work and start take care of herself. Father dead, revert back into struggle until come together as a family. We work out our thing till now that we grew up and we make it in life. Bless God to my brother, dead and God, may his soul rest in peace. Wish him here if he grew up and have a family, married, have kids and all of them something there. But as a father God working. But a lot of people they expect say we were not gonna make it because my mother had 6 of us, and to them having 6 kids is a sin and it's a crime and it's a burden and it's a disgrace. So when them see you the mother that come down with 6 kids, to them shame. You shame them because why are you having 6 kids? And I know mother alone with 6 kids get this type of treatment alone, guys. Don't get me wrong. You have mother with 1 kid get the same insults, man. 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, same insult, man. No love. But mothers, this one is for you guys. Let me take off the glass and look straight into the camera and talk to you. Mothers, take it from me. Whether a 1 kid, 2 kid, 3 kid, 4 kid, 5 kid, 6 kid, 7 kid you have, whether you have them for 7 different men, and none of the man them, not did if you take care of them, or rare. Maintain your course, man. Cause I want you if you go buy a rope and go hang yourself. All heap of them you're a stain in their eyes, and the greatest joy for a lot of them for you not to exist, so that they don't have to see you and your bunch of kids every day. Don't let them fool you, man. Keep the smile and press on. Even when the struggle seems like it's overwhelming and it's unbearable. I've been there, man. My mother been there. She got it from family members. She got it from her sisters. She got it from her brothers. She got it from her father. Rare. She got it even from the in-laws. Treated terribly. And then we reap it also. We are the 6 kids that are walking behind her and looking sabby and looking droopy and looking malnutrition and all of those stuff. And when people see us, they say, wow, look at them. She got 6 pitney and she can't even take care of them. No give up, mommy. Mommy, no give up. Mannix Robinson, they tell you this. No give up. Hope is not last. You see your pitney them? You see those 6 pitney them what sit down right now in front of you, whether you're outside underneath the ackee tree or the breadfruit tree or the mango tree, or the whole of you guys are sleeping on the one bed, or them sit down, they are sitting on the bench watching you cooking the white rice and the chicken back on the stove, and they wait if you don't cook dinner. No worry yourself. Them are go grow up and them a go make it. A whole heap of ghetto youth make it out of the slum. A whole heap of ghetto youth who people name believe say them name they go make it. They make it. Them fight against the odds and they make it. And them a take care of their mother. Father, well, me no really hear none of them a say, boy, I do this to my father. We hear them a talk about, yo, me they do this to my mother because them see the struggle what the mother go through. I know people usually treat their mother. You see it. So sometimes you hear a man say, yo, he will do this thing for his mother. And if a guy says something about his mother, he will defend his mother. I can relate and I understand because I saw the struggles that my mother underwent when she had us growing up with 6 of us. Whole heap. It's a lot of wear and left we wear. It's a lot of expired food we eat when they grew up. Whole heap. You see it, people. A whole heap of insult we get when we usually go out in the shop. We trust shopkeeper say, you know again, telling our father say the bill no pay, we not you know now we have to hold on we head like dog and go back and say, yo, you know, say we no get the bread. We no get the sugar. We no get the lasco, you know. We no get the chicken back. We no get the mackerel. Remember sometime they walk through the community and people say, yo, why you look so malnutritious? And they take it for a joke. It was me and my brothers and my family was a laughing stock in my community. Living laughing stock. My family was a joke matter in my community. Some of them may not agree to it. Some of them probably call me after this video now and say, yo, why you say that, bro? My family was a laughing stock in my community. People would laugh off of my family, especially laugh off of my mother, because it's not the father who is getting the insults, it's the mother, because you go lay down and you got 6 kids. Or you go sit down, you should have used contraceptive, you should have do this. Why you got 6 kids and you can't take care of the 6 of them and and blase, hurling all sort of insults. Some people will never give you the chance. Some people don't have it in them. They don't have the patience. They don't have it in them to be patient with mothers that have 6 kids or 5 or 4 or 3 or even more. The first thing that comes to mind is to hurl insult. No chance. Here goes another one. I encourage all of the mothers right now. It's not only Jamaican mothers alone. All of the mothers, wheresoever that you are, which culture, which case or class system that you find yourself in, don't give up. Don't give up. Not because you have child out of wedlock or the man do this and get you pregnant and you don't know who are the father. No give up. Maintain your integrity, maintain your course and press on, because some of them people want you to go buy a rope, because out to them, out of sight, out of mind. To some of them, out of sight, out of mind. When they don't see you, they have a great day. When they see you, they have a bad day. I don't know why it's like that. When you're poor, they don't know you. They don't want to associate themselves with you. They don't want to be in your circle. They don't want to be associated with your type. That's the word. Your type. I don't like his type. That's not my type. But it happened now where you come out of the struggle, you come out of the slum, you come out of the ghetto, and you're able to educate yourself. You're able to rise up out of the ghetto, go to school, educate yourself, get a good job, and you elevate yourself. You're able now to help out your same mother, you know. The mother who them when they insult and curse, all of a sudden now they see that the sun starts shine, the glory starts shine. Now all of a sudden everybody want to run in. Yo, man know him. Yeah, man know him. Me know him. You know. Yeah, man know him. When I grow, no, you ain't know me, bro. You ain't know me. You spend more time criticizing me and dealing out judgment and criticism about me than helping me, man. Why? All of a sudden now, because the table turn, you're gonna run in thinking that I'm going to be duped and say, okay, I need friends so you can come in. No, you're not friends, man. You're only here for the pie. You're only here because I made it now. So mothers, don't give up. Don't give up the fight, man. You know, there's a lot of mothers right now, you know, you don't know where the next meal is coming from for the kids. You don't know where is the next meal coming for the 6 kids or the 5 kids or the 4 kids. And you probably have a brother and sister right now what you know if you call them, I'm going to curse you and tell you, say, I know them tell you if you go have so much picnic. Cause you have families like that. You have families like that will say, yo, I know me when tell you if you go have 6 or 5 or 4 or 3 picnic. Don't stress me. Are you sitting down right there, right now, and you're probably saying to yourself, say, yo, tomorrow is another day, and tomorrow I'm back to school. Kids them have to go to school tomorrow, and I don't know how them are going to make it. Can't call them father. Father, gone, father. We don't know who they father. Ray. You come out of the struggle, you remember the true friends them, man. Remember how your mother usually have the batter to take care of you. Don't throw your life meaningless, man. You can go to school and educate yourself back up and shine and take your mother out of the struggle and take your mother out of the ghetto and take your mother out of the hard life. Yo, do the work. My sister, same thing me I say. You see the struggle you've been through with your brothers them and your mother. Don't lose the focus. Rise up out tight and become somebody in life and help take out your family out of the struggle. Put them on a different path. I used when you make it, don't get fooled by the same people them who when they criticize you all of a sudden now you don't want to take them in your circle. Don't bring them in your circle because they're only there to take the piece of the pie. Don't harbor them around. Run them. Because when you were suffering, there was none of them there for you to out of the suffering. All of a sudden now, you are drink wine and champagne. They want to come pop big champagne to run them. Not even give them the empty champagne bottle. Run them. You don't want them around you because they are no true friends. Because when you were suffering, they weren't there. So big up to the mothers them. Big up to the single mothers them. And yes, you have a lot of mothers, you know, they're in nice relationship, they're married and they're married to them, them got them trophy husband and they are a trophy wife and they let it seem like outwardly everything is a fairy tale relationship. Some of them are living a toxic relationship behind closed door. Man a beat them and a brutalize them and rare, but them can't do nothing because them can't leave the man because the man a keep up the facade for them and all of them stuff. But for you ladies, don't lose hope same way. Don't lose hope. Man not dead, don't call him duppy. I remember one day when my mother sent down to this particular individual and said, you know, no food can dish out one plate of food, send come give me. My mother sent me out to go beg food for give me for dinner. And when I went for the food, I thought I was getting food. You know what I got? Go back on your yard. Tell your mother, say, I know we tell her if you have 6 or you know. Some people, man, that's how they treat kids that have nothing to do with the situation. Kids didn't ask to be born in this world. But yet, they are the recipients of some of the meanest words, meanest attitude from people that's supposed to know better, man. Crazy. But mothers, maintain the course, man. Don't give up. Hope no loss. Don't let the rhetoric that you hear they be repeating over and over cause you to want to believe that is true. Not because you have more than 1 or 2 or 3 kids mean that you're a failure. Don't let them trick you in believing that. Don't believe the narrative. Don't believe that because you know there's no father for the 5 different father for the picking them, or you can't find the father them. That means your kids them are going to grow up and they go turn out good for nothing. Police are going to kill them. Gunman are going to kill them. Them are going to get lost in this situation. Don't believe the rhetoric because that's what a lot of people want to do. They will repeat the same thing over and over to you so much that you start to play into your psyche and you start to believe that is true. Don't follow it, man. Don't listen it. Don't play into that narrative. That's what they want. They want you to believe that you're a failure and that your kids are a failure and that there's nothing gonna come good of your kids. Don't listen to them. That's what they want you to believe. And because they are married and they're in their so-called fairy tale relationship, they are the ones and they are the ones and their kids are the ones that's gonna make it in life. Nonsense. Don't let them fool you, mama. Mama, may I talk to you right now? Right now. Hey, you watch it right now. Go call mama. Tell mama say me talk to her. Yo, John, Tom, Luke, Harry, Sue, Faye. Go call mama. Tell mama say me talk to her right now. Man, it's got a message for her. Tell mama say, all hope is not lost. Tell mama say, don't listen to the crowd. So while I was there on the hospital bed, could hardly breathe. And my mother came across my mind and I said, Father God, some stuff what my mother been through in life. Some stuff that people did to my mother because she had 6 kids. She didn't deserve to be treated like that because she had 6 kids. Wickedness, man. Utter wickedness how some people are in this world, man. No mercy, no love, no patience. They want the worst for you when you're not a part of their circle. When you're poor and neglect, they don't believe that good things should come for you in life. Bless up all of the mothers, them. Bless up all of the mothers, them. All of the mothers, all of the single mothers, them. All of the married mothers, them. All of the mothers, them that are about to get married. Yo, bless up on yourself. Don't lose the focus. You see it? Because the struggle is always real. And guess what? Sometimes you see the fairy tale life, what we imagine growing up, play out all the time. There are certain journeys that a lot of us gonna take in life where it's not the journey we would want, but we still have to take it. There are a lot of people that make some dangerous sacrifice in life. There are some individuals out there right now that have made some serious sacrifice in life to create a better future for them and their family. And there are people out there that cannot understand it and cannot fathom it because they cannot do it and they will never do it. But for the risk takers, for the pioneers, the ones that are willing to risk it all to gain something better. Mama, the 6 picnic that is sitting down in front of you right now, waiting for you to finish cook dinner, to finish cook breakfast, to finish iron the clothes so that they can go to school. Look on them and tell them that hope is not lost. They should be risk takers in life. Don't sit down and become a part of the narrative because that's what they want. They want you to become a part of the narrative. They want you to listen to the narrative. They want you to listen to the repetitiveness so that it may get into your psychic so much that you will say, okay, I am this type of person. And you believe in it so much that you get trapped. Never be able to rise up out of the slum. So mama, bless up in yourself. The word there is for all of the mothers them. Not only the single, but all of the mothers and the future mothers them. No make nobody let you think the worst of your child. We are all born in this world for a purpose. Not all of us gonna reach our full potential in this life. We all know that. Some of us gonna die before we reach it. But for those of us that are able to transcend to the level or to reach the heights of where we're supposed to reach in life, let us muster up the strength and the courage and march forward. Come what may. Bless up yourself. Thank you again. You believe in us. You didn't give none of us away. You still maintain the course, mama. And you still press forward. And you believe in your pitting them. And you're pitting them grow up and turn out something in life. Sorry say, my younger brother dead and gone, but God may his soul rest in peace. Bless up yourself, mama. Anywhere you're there right now. Bless up yourself. Peace and love. You maintain the fight, you maintain the course, you maintain the journey, and you suck up all of the wickedness and all of the bitterness and all of the dirtiness and all of the misdeed and the mistreatment that people say about you because you have 6 of us. You still lift up your head and you press forward. Bless up yourself. That's how we do it on Manix Robinson TV. So guess what, guys? Thanks for tuning in one more time to Manix Robinson TV. That's how we do it around here, guys. Bless up to all of the mothers. As I say, I was in the hospital. I almost died on my deathbed. It was just my mother. Pop up in my spirit. Bless up yourself, mama. All right? If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell. That when I drop another video, you won't miss it. You know the next video when I drop about, guys, is when my father wanted me to belong to his house and my mother said, not under my dead body. My son now belong upon your house. He's going to go build his own house that when he have his kids can have something to say that their father did this. Epic journey, guys. You won't believe what come out of that. The conversation, it wasn't nice. Stay tuned. Journey gonna be, that one day I go be epic.